Champions are not built under bright lights. They are built long before the world wakes up. Every morning begins with one simple decision: to get up, even when no one is watching. Preparation isn't exciting. It doesn't attract applause. But preparation separates those who improve from those who only wish they could. Every repetition strengthens more than muscle. It builds confidence. It builds resilience. It teaches the body and the mind to work together under pressure. Results don't come from training alone. Every meal becomes another opportunity to recover, rebuild, and prepare for tomorrow. True strength isn't measured by how much you can lift. It's measured by how many people you inspire to become stronger themselves. Progress isn't always visible today. Sometimes it appears weeks later. But every disciplined day moves you closer to the person you're becoming. If you enjoy these workouts and want exclusive training videos, become a channel member. If you're looking for the equipment I use, check out the products tagged below. Champions aren't born in extraordinary moments. They're created by ordinary choices made every single day.